Hello guys, welcome to Kaiser Chiefs News. Today our lineup it's supposed to be like this. So we have to have Peterson on the goalpost, and then Monyane on the right, and then Kuniga, and then McCarthy, as they said. Miguel une injury. I think he has to rest as well, so that we can see these two. Oguchi, how do they combine? And then on the left, on my side, because Ulento Marco is injured, so they can just put it's either Solomon's this side, or else Ukross. I think they can just put Ukross at least uzokhona ukuthi mhlamba English because sometimes akudingeka umuntu one-pace kakhulu, kudingeka nje just umuntu ozokhona nje ukumaintaina i-position. And then here I think they have to ukuthi bafake umthethwa la, umthethwa so that umthetho uzokhona ukuthi ahenglishe ulento. Umthetho uzokhona ukuthi manje ahenglishe lama player azofuna ukuthi azophazamisa uCross ngapha, yabo. And then bese la, this is very important. La I'm creating my own squad that can win for Kaizer Chiefs, not my coaches, because my coaches here they can just put Mabu like this. So izokhona unjani ukuthi akhona ukupholisa igame aphinde ayishisise. Umuntu owazi ukupholisa igame aphinde ayishisise due to attacking. Ucele hayi ngeke, ucele slow kakhulu ucele, and he can't trap. That's the problem, he can't trap. I hear people blaming ulento, ngezwa abantu bablema umthetho abathi he can't pass, but what about ucele? Cele can't even pass a best pass. He cannot pass a best pass. That's the problem. Lana bengifuna uvilakazi la azodlala unumber 10 la Vilakazi will be the best one. Hayi lento ukuthi babhezi bamfaka lapha esayidini, and then si-striker ngo-Igodaro will strike the best. Igodaro, how do you write Igodaro? I think it's like this. Amanye player, I'm not sure ukuthi the jersey number, what is the jersey number, but I think for Igodaro is 50, because some of the players, like for me, they are not the best, man. That's why I don't even focus on their numbers. Okay, if it's like this, it's the best. La, I'm gonna do some changes. Needs Shaba Shaba. Shabalala will be the best la. Because I see Gucci, the coaches they're not noticing Gucci. Shabalala can play as a left winger. He's good. He can play as a left winger. They want to force him Utazodlala in the middle. And then bese yafambula ke. And this person can go there. And then on the right side, it's tough nyana. But in case ngoba, I need someone who is energy and speed nyana, so I can just put Lilebo. Oh, I can just put Lilebo. Or if ngidinga nje just umuntu ozonikeza nje i-boost, I can just I almost forgot the best player, Vele Bai. Uvela eBhayi. Hey, I almost forgot this nigga. I'm not sure about this number. His jersey number, I'm not sure, so please forgive me. Yeah. Vele Bai. Ha. With this squad, yes, as we can beat a lot of teams. Like, guys, we can beat a lot of teams because of, look at the squad. La ufaka abantu aba skillful. Ulona uVilakazi, he can track the players and pass them. He can track the players and pass them. Ushabalala, he can do his things, he can run. He's quick at running and he has a skill, especially when he's in the on the left side. He has a skill, he can cut back, you understand? He can do a lot of stuff. Vele Bai as well is the same like Shabalala. He's skillful, he's clever, he's fast, you understand? So we need someone who is very, very fast. We don't need the lazy people. Ighodaro, he has a power. He can protect the ball. He doesn't just fall like these other strikers. You understand? And then Umthetho, he can stabilize the thing. The game. He can stabilize the game. Ukuthi mayibona ngathi ama-player wakhe sekhathele then ayipholise ukuthi ama-player wakhe akhona ukwenzani, akhona ukudonsa umoya, you understand? uMabuyi can adopt i-play kalona ikaMthetho and then feed all of these players in front of him. He can adopt and he can play clever football and clever passes, you understand? Because next to Umthetho, we need someone who's clever. Ukuthi Umthetho mayemaka ibhola, there's someone next to him. Instead of him going far trying to pass umuntu okude le, because we know he is not good with that. He's good with marking, and passing someone who's next to him is good with that, you understand? So he can use his strength, Umthetho, and take Ebola from the opponent, and then he give it to Mabuyi. Mabuyi, what can he do? He can take the ball and play with it and open it defense. You understand? Open midfielder, your opponent. And then after that, what can he do? He can pass to Vilakazi, he can pass to Vele Bai, he can pass to Shabalala, he can pass to Ighodaro. like he make ama-opponent confused. He can confuse i-opponent ukuthi igcine ingazi ukuthi when this guy has ibhola uzophasa bani. You understand? So that will be a best football ever. That will be a best squad for Kaizer Chiefs. That will be a best squad for Kaizer Chiefs. Mangabe kuthiwa mhlambe ulona akekho, because they're saying Chislett is injured, but we are not sure about that. We can put Chislett next to Maboy, and then we see the first half with how does he play. If we see with ish ngathi kunenkinga, then we can put back our Mthethwa, because Mthethwa is the best so far. I'm not denying his play. He can play, this guy. He know how to play. Ukross lapha, I think Ukross is a good player, but he's bad when there's someone who's attacking him too much.